let's hop into another book. It's story time. When I Grow Up, written and illustrated by Rae Ripple. It's a beautiful sunny day and Olivia is on her way to the library. Mom, Olivia asks, my teacher asked me what I want to be when I grow up, and I'm just not sure. Mom replies, well, we are heading to the library. Maybe something will spark your interest. As Olivia and her mom walk up to the entrance of the library, Olivia notices something interesting. Mom, what is that person doing? Mom replies, it looks like the library is getting a new metal sculpture. Olivia's intrigued. She questions, yeah, but how are they doing that? Mom explains, oh, they are welding. Olivia watches the welder carefully. Suddenly, the welder lifts up their hood. Olivia screams at the top of her lungs. It's a girl! Olivia can hardly contain her excitement. She starts asking a lot of questions. Mom, do you see her? Mom, I want to do that. Mom, can I do that? Olivia's mom just smiles. Olivia storms in the library and immediately gets to work. I must know everything about welding, she exclaimed. Olivia starts searching, looking at books way up high and looking at books low to the ground, but she can't seem to find anything. Olivia, time to go. After coming up empty-handed, determined, Olivia asked the librarian, excuse me, miss, do you have any children's books about welding? The librarian replies, I'm sorry, sweetie, we don't. I bet if you ask that nice girl welding outside, she can tell you everything you want to know. In the distance, Olivia's mom shouts, come on, sweetie, it's time to go. Olivia is extremely concerned. Mom, I didn't find anything. All I found was grown-up books about welding. Can we go talk to that lady outside? Please? Oh, please? Olivia's mom replies, oh, babe, maybe next time. We have to go home so I can get started on dinner. As soon as Olivia walks into her house, she knows she wants to weld a sculpture. But first, proper protective equipment, she exclaims. Finding a sand bucket for a hood, she squeals, this looks just like the one she has. These oven mitts and spatula should work, she yells, holding her make-believe welding torch in the air. As Olivia is hard at work building her spectacular sculpture, her mom peeks in. Olivia, let's go. I have a surprise for you. Curious, Olivia hangs out the window. Where are we going? Are we there yet? Is it going to take a long time to get there? Mom, are we close? As their destination approaches, Olivia screams with excitement, Mom, it's the welder from the library. Olivia races to the shop door, rushing to introduce herself. Hi, I'm Olivia. The welder replies, I heard you want to learn how to weld. Olivia smiles ear to ear. The welder laughs and says, come on, I'll show you some things. First, Olivia takes a tour. She learns about the equipment, the right protective gear. She even gets to see the welder work on a metal sculpture. Miss, can I try? Olivia asks politely. Of course, the welder replies. Olivia gears up and heads straight to work. I'm going to build a flower, Olivia states. She starts welding and welding. Before she knows it, all done, holding her sculpted flower proudly. In the background, Olivia's mom shouts, "Olivia, it's time to go." "Well, did you have fun?" Mom asks. "Oh, yes. I finally know what I want to be when I grow up," Olivia says surely. "What's that, sweetheart?" Mom replies. Olivia responds, "I want to be a welder." And that's the end. Until we read again.